Hello everyone. Let us solve this equation x square minus x cube is equal to 150. Given equation is cubic equation. Let us solve this. Solution for this. First of all, write the equation as it is. X square minus x cube is equal to 150. Now taking 150 on left hand side, rewrite given equation x square minus x cube minus 150, this is equal to 0. We have to express this 150 like this: 25 plus 125. Hence this equation can be written as x square minus x cube minus 25 plus 125, this is equal to 0. Hence x square minus x cube minus 25 minus into plus minus 125, this is equal to 0. Now minus 25 we can take with x square and minus 125 we have to take with x cube. Hence x square minus 25 minus x cube minus 125, this is equal to 0. Since we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Hence x square minus 25 in one bracket, and taking minus sign common from these two terms, minus of x cube plus 125, this is equal to 0. Here we obtained x cube plus 125, so we have to apply a cube plus b cube, this expansion formula, and which is a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Hence this can be written as x plus 5 into x minus 5, and expansion of this bracket x plus 5 in another bracket x square minus a into b. A is x, b is 5 suppose, then minus 5x plus 5 square is 25, this is equal to 0. Now here let us take this x plus 5, let us take this bracket common from this term and this term. Hence we can write this as x plus 5 in another bracket. Here in first term x minus 5 is remaining, and in second term minus of x square minus 5x plus 25, this is the remaining part, which is equal to 0. Let us simplify this bracket. X plus 5 in another bracket x minus 5 minus x square plus minus into minus plus 5x minus 25, this is equal to 0. Again simplify this. Hence x plus 5 in another bracket minus x square plus x plus 5x plus 6x minus 5 minus 25 minus 30, this is equal to 0. Since we know a into b is equal to 0, this implies either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or both a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. So from here, this is suppose a and this is b. A into b is equal to 0. Hence we can write, applying this condition, x plus 5 is equal to 0 and minus x square plus 6x minus 30 is equal to 0. From this equation, one of the value of x, that will be minus 5. Taking this plus 5 on right hand side. This is one value of x which satisfies given equation. Now we have to solve this equation. First of all, multiply both sides of this equation by minus 1. Hence we can write minus 1 into minus x square plus 6x minus 30 is equal to minus 1 into 0. Left hand side becomes minus 1 into minus x square, that is x square minus 6x plus 30 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in x. Let us solve this equation applying formula ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Its solutions are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Comparing this quadratic equation with this, a is equal to, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 30. Let us find this b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, this is equal to minus 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 30. Hence this is equal to minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 1 into 30, that is minus 120, which is equal to minus 84. This is less than 0. Means for this quadratic equation there does not exist real roots. There exists complex roots. Hence, using this formula, x is equal to minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 84 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. This is equal to minus into minus plus 6 upon 2 plus or minus square root of minus 84. This can be written as square root of minus 1 into 4 into 21 divided by 2. Hence, x is equal to 6 upon 2 is here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Hence, x is equal to 3 upon 1 is 3 plus or minus. This can be written as square root of minus 1 into square root of 4 into square root of 21 divided by 2. Since we know square root of u into v can be written as square root of u into square root of v. This property we have applied here. Hence, x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 21 divided by 2. Now here this 2 cancels with this 2, hence x is equal to 3 plus or minus I into square root of 21. Hence x is equal to, first value is minus 5, second value 3 plus I into square root of 21, and third value is 3 minus I into square root of 21. These three values are nothing but three roots of given cubic equation, and this is answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.